Hello, do you want free crypto trading signals? Well, this is the platform for you. It's Profit Farmers, profitfarmers.com, the world's first free crypto trading pilot. Okay, this is just a platform where they give you trading signals and you can sign up for free and they'll give you one free signal a day. So they do have other options, but if you just want to learn trading and you want to start it out, um, this is like something that you can start out with no money. The only money that you need is the money that you're going to put in your account, which is at least $50 to $100 to get started. So it's really something easy to get started with and that can help you start learning. Profit Farmers AI instantly improves your win rate with expert trade plans, copy trading, and time-saving automations. Skip the years of learning, constant losing, and technical analysis with our platform. You can trade like a pro today. So I just wanted to let you know about it, and if you want to get started today, here's like something good that you can try out. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.